Presets are pre-designed configurations that make quoting more powerful and accurate with Jobman's smart logic. Use Jobman's automation to streamline your processes, improve customer interactions, and drive faster decision-making. With your products added and your presets built, create a new quote. From here, select Add New, choose Preset, and then select a saved preset from the list. Click on the preset to view the populated items. From here, you can adjust the quantities of each. You can also make changes to the preset by adding additional items, including products. Select Add New and choose from the drop-down. Change the sort order when you're done with Jobman's drag and drop functionality. Select Preview to show how the quote appears on the selected template. This will ensure you're sending the quote in the correct format and that there are no errors. Finalize the quote by selecting Save Changes, and now your quote is ready to email to your client. Remember, help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.